We wanted to tell you about exciting new features to Hindenburg Narrator. We have revolutionized our interface to be the premier tool for voiceover talent. If you are recording long-form audio such as e-learning or a project that will require you to make many small files such as video game script, your life is going to get much easier. Here we can see a fairly typical video game script. Each line will have to be exported as a separate file. This document has over 200 entries, so that will be an awful lot of files, management, upkeep, renaming, and all manner of tedious work. Typically, these documents have three main parts: the file name, the actual text you're recording, and direction about how to deliver the text. Now, let's look at this file when we open it in Hindenburg Narrator. In the manuscript, we can now see the different lines of text, and here is the direction right under the line. To record each line is easy. Just press the right arrow key and start your performance. Narrator will move to the next line and put in a navigation point, syncing the text and the audio every time you press the right arrow key. You can also use the narration bar if you have a noiseless mouse or trackpad to quietly cycle through the different lines of text. If you need another take, no problem at all, it's easy. Just put the playhead in front of the take you want to replace and do a re-record with pre-roll. Or if you want to do take after take after take for each line, that's fine too. With our one edit cuts, you can cut to the right and to the left of any take that you want to keep. You can see in the contents window that the name of the lines are the same as in the manuscript window. That's very handy to know where you are, but you've got to give your files to the client with the technical names that we saw in our Excel document. It's no problem. When we are ready to export, choose Contents from the Export dropdown. All of the files with their technical names from the Excel sheet are intact. No need for time-consuming renaming. We will be showing exactly how to do this in another in-depth video, but we wanted to show you how quickly you can get through your scripts so that you can focus more time on your performance and less time on the technical side. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.